Exploring space. English from below. The concept of underneath. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving deep into an important topic in English conversation: spatial relations. Specifically, we're focusing on one key word that often appears when we describe the positions of objects: underneath. Underneath is a preposition in English that we use to describe a specific spatial relation. It refers to the position of being directly below or beneath something else. You might think of it as the opposite of above. For example, you could say, "The cat is underneath the table," which means the cat is directly below the table. It's a handy word to know when describing the world around us. Now that we know what underneath means, let's see it in action with some sentences. 1. The shoes are underneath the bed. This means that the shoes are located below the bed. 2. I found my keys underneath a pile of papers. This means that the keys were below a pile of papers. Remember, we use underneath when something is directly below or covered by another thing. Sometimes, we might want to use a different word with a similar meaning. In English, we have synonyms. For underneath, these include below, beneath, and under. While these words have similar meanings, they can be used in slightly different contexts, and we'll explore these differences in future videos. And that wraps up our quick dive into the spatial concept of underneath. It's a fundamental word that's often used when we talk about the relative positions of things. So, keep practicing using underneath and its synonyms to enhance your English conversational skills. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step takes you further. Until next time, keep exploring.